This video is going to take us through what happens when there is a short pick, meaning that a goods out note that we're going to dispatch is on hold. So we can see here the pick. We were expecting 3 to be picked, but only 2 were picked. The pick was completed. As a result, the goods out note that those items are related to are put on hold because we can't pack the whole goods out note. You'd pack all the other goods out notes, and when you have packed all the other items, we want to pack what's available. So we'd scan in the available goods or adjust it. And now we're going to move this pack note to the short station where it can be investigated. You can call the customer, ask them if they still want the order. You could still send out the order as a short picked order. You could perhaps want to change the sales order, or maybe the item is available, it was just missed by the picker. So I'm going to move this now to the short packing station where it can be investigated. So we're going to move the pack station, but we're also going to move the items in the trolley because they are in trolley 2, but we want to move them out of trolley 2. Okay. And now I'm going to save this. So we've packed the items and we've moved the pack station and the tote to the short pack. Okay. Now, that means if we have a look at locations and we'll have a look at the inventory, what's happened to that? So we did have the inventory in trolley 2. That's now been moved. We did have the inventory in pack station 1. Yep. Now, this is the final stage. The Stok.ly sees the inventory still in pack station 1. So we're going to just have to move this like you would move stock between bins, and any time you're moving stock, as you wheel the trolley across and put the goods into the short pack. So we're literally just doing a move. And we're going to move the goods from the pack station 1, where they were, to the short pack. So we'll jump into the Stok app and we'll do a move. And we're going to do pack station 1. Where are we? Pack station 1. And now we're going to move it across to the short pack. So it's just a standard move of inventory. And now, in the back office, looking at location central warehouse, we can go into pack station 1. Now we've got no items in pack station 1. And the goods are now sitting in the short pack station. Okay, so that's done. I can go about my business, packing the next trolley down, what have you. The person in the short packs, when they are going to investigate these, you'd see, so we'll go back down to fulfillment right here. You can see the pack station short pack. Okay, so this is where customer services could be looking, or the person in the warehouse who's going to be looking for the extra goods. I'm going to now come in and sort out this order. Now I'm going to click through to the sales order and I'm going to take this off hold. You'll see on the sales order we've got a note that's automatically assigned to the sales order for your customer services team, etc. And now, having taken that off hold, you can see that it's now open. Now, we've got some choices. We could just dispatch it, print the label and dispatch it with a short order, if that's what you want to do. Or we could go and we could find the item. So I'm going to go off with my handheld scanner and I'm going to go and find that missing item. Now I know there's one in bin A1 and I'm going to move that to the short pack station. And that's now done. So when we come back to the goods out note, we can pack the extra item. I could scan that in, and now we can dispatch it. Obviously print the label and then dispatch it. I've now dispatched that order with all the items packed. And if we have a look at the inventory here, you'll see now at the short pack station there's no inventory anymore. So we've firstly cleared the goods out node and the items from pack station 1 to the short packing station. I've then gone and found the extra item. I've done a move of that back over to the short pack. We've now got all the items and then I've simply packed it and dispatched it. So that's how to deal with a short pick and a goods out node on hold.